Your business runs on booked appointments. A gap in your schedule is a lost opportunity. Full yoga classes mean a full bank account. More property showings equal higher close rates. When you bill clients by the hour, every hour counts. That's why having multiple ways to book with you is critical. It's not enough to have a calendar link in your email signature, and not efficient to manage offline. You need an appointment calendar that lives on your website page, so people can schedule meetings while you're busy, while you're out of the office, or spending time with your family. POWR Appointments. Booking is made for small businesses. It works with any platform. It doesn't require coding knowledge or a developer to install it. It integrates with Google Calendar and Outlook, and it's absolutely free to start. Start booking more meetings with POWR Appointments, the most efficient way to manage your schedule